In the charming town of Madhuri, nestled in the heart of India, a captivating dancer, Priya, enthralled audiences with her fluid movements. Clad in a stunning blue sari, she embodied grace and beauty. Priya's performances were a spectacle, drawing admirers from far and wide. Amidst the sea of fans, one man stood out, Aryan, a brooding and powerful figure. Their eyes would meet, and the air would electrify with an unspoken connection. Aryan, a former army officer, had returned to Madhuri to protect his family's legacy. He was drawn to Priya's artistry and kindness. Priya, too, felt an inexplicable bond with Aryan. One fateful evening, as Priya danced on stage, a group of ruthless gangsters, led by the notorious Raghav, stormed the venue. Their sinister intentions were clear, to claim Priya as their own. Aryan sprang into action, his military training and strength unleashed. With precision and fury, he took down the attackers, his fists flying in a flurry of justice. Priya, shaken but unharmed, gazed at Aryan in awe. "You saved me," she whispered. Aryan's rugged exterior softened. "I'll always protect you, Priya." As the dust settled, the audience cheered, and Priya's love for Aryan blossomed. They shared tender moments, their connection deepening. Raghav, humiliated and enraged, vowed revenge. But Aryan, ever vigilant, ensured Priya's safety. One night, under the stars, Aryan took Priya to the same stage where they first met. He held her close, and they swayed to the rhythm of their hearts. "I love you, Priya," Aryan whispered. "I love you too, Aryan," she replied, her voice barely audible. Their love became the stuff of local legend. Priya's dances continued, with Aryan by her side, ever watchful. Together, they proved that love and courage could conquer even the darkest of forces. Months passed, and Priya's fame grew. Aryan remained her rock, supporting her every step. On the anniversary of their first meeting, Aryan proposed to Priya on stage, amidst thunderous applause. Priya nodded, tears of joy streaming down her face. Their wedding was a grand celebration, uniting Madhuri's residents. Priya and Aryan's love story inspired generations, a testament to the transformative power of true devotion. Their blue sari-clad dancer and her powerful protector lived happily ever after.